This video is how to add a PDF or a link inside of your Mailchimp email. Once you open up your template, you can mouse over any of the items that you've placed. This is just a simple template that I set up for this. You can have any image linked to a web address or an email address or a file. So let's just say we're going to take our logo and we're going to link that to a web address. You can edit this by clicking anywhere in this empty content area or the icon. Get you the same place. On the right hand side opened up, click on link. Don't worry about putting http:// or www. It'll do it by itself if you just put in the web address. Now, if you do have a secure site, HTTPS, you want to put that in there. But in my case, I'm just going to put in just our web address and say insert. And then I want to hit save and close button at the bottom, and it applied it, and that's it. So when someone clicks on that, it'll go to the web address. You can do that to any image, like I said. So let's add a file link to just text, let's just say. So same thing, you can click on this or the edit icon. Once you have this open, you can select what text you want to be linked. I'm just going to say I'm going to link all this text down here, and this is going to be linked to a file. Now, when you do this, just make sure it's explanatory so that people understand that it's a link that what they're clicking on. So whether it's view this event or go here or see this file or whatever it might be. Once you select your text, go up to the link icon, click on that. From the drill down here, we used web address before, but there's also email address, anchor link, and file. Email address, you just put in your email address, obviously. An anchor link is a tag that's in HTML on a website that when someone clicks on the link, it would scroll down to that area on the website. We're not going to be covering that on here. This is an option though. So choose file. Now the file can be Word file, Excel file, PDF, what have you. So click on that. That'll bring up to a content manager. Your content manager in list form is easy to understand because it shows the name, when it was done and all this. But there's another option that might come up default for you in the right-hand corner here, the options to see, and this is the grid view. The grid view looks like this. Now I just have a single PDF in here, but I don't know what that name of that PDF is or anything about it. In fact, I don't even really know it's a PDF other than this little icon thing. So if you have multiple PDFs and multiple images and all these things, the images preview, but the files don't. They just don't look very good. You don't understand them. So I would recommend going to list view. So much easier. So once you, if you already have a document inside here that you want to link to, that's great. You can just click on it, hit insert. But if you don't, hit the upload button, and then that'll bring up a little window that will show you the progress, and you can upload your file once it's there. Click on that, hit the insert button, and then it's going to give you a little confirmation. Say insert, and now what you want to do is you want to hit save and close button at the bottom there to apply it, and now it's done. And that's all you do. You can do the same thing with the button. So the button shows a web address, email address, anchor link. There it is, all there again. So same thing. Do the file. You can select your file or upload it. Hit insert, and there you go. And so make sure and hit save and close at the bottom, and then it applied it, and you're done. The only thing you want to do from this point is you want to save this so you don't lose it, but you might want to preview and test it first. In the upper right hand corner, there's a preview and test button. Click on that, and then you can actually preview it here. You can actually send it an email to you. Give yourself a couple of minutes for it to be received, and you can see what that looks like. Hopefully it's great. If not, you can come back and you can tweak your template as you need. Otherwise, when you're done, click the save and exit button at the very base, and then that will save this, bring you back to your other templates that you have, and then you can form your campaign from that or wherever you want to go past that. But so that's kind of the overview of it. Now, if you wanted to say remove a link, let's just say this logo thing here, I don't want that anymore to be linked. You can go to the link that you did and hit remove link and hit save and close, save and exit, you're done. So just a little side note there, and that'll about do it.